Here we've just come to look at the Audi TT, not started, and let's get inside and have a look. So we'll turn the ignition on. Not sure if you can hear that. So we're going to try and start it again. So it's trying to turn, but very, very slowly. Here we're putting our booster pack on. Running, and there's no battery warning light, so we're going to check the alternator anyway. Here. On the alternator here. So if you could see there, the battery wasn't charging and we tested it from the alternator. We're not getting no charge, 11 volts. So we're going to look at replacing the alternator, and we'll come back and do that on another video.